Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell on MEXC. And first of all, you need to create an account by yourself, verify that account, and then after that you will see this chart right here. I created a demo account and it works exactly the same for a live trading account. But right now we want to buy or sell something. So what we're gonna do right here is we click here on symbol and now we can search for something that we want to trade. So let's say we want to buy some Dogecoin. Then we click on Doge and then we go right now here to the chart. Now we are having Dogecoin standing right here and we want to buy or sell something. So what we're gonna do right here is fill in how much you want to buy or how much you want to sell. So what I want to do right here is I want to buy a quantity of 100 and that is 1000 Doge, so that is fine. And then right now we can create a take profit or a stop loss if you want to do that. But if you want to buy, you can just simply click here on open long and then click on open long. And now if you scroll down, you see here that we just bought some nice Dogecoin. And if you want to sell, you can do exactly the same, but then click here on the red icon where we can now click here on open short. And then right now, we also created ourselves a short position. That is the red bar right there. So this is how you can buy and sell on MEXC. Hopefully this is the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.